You open your banking app and it looks like a horror movie. You aren't alone. Most business owners didn't start their company because they love accounting. In fact, the average entrepreneur wastes up to 100 hours every single year just chasing receipts and sorting through paperwork. That's 2.5 full work weeks gone. But here's the reality. 71% of small businesses are already using AI to get that time back. We aren't just talking about smart spreadsheets anymore. We're talking about tools that can read a crumpled coffee receipt, categorize it, find the tax deduction, and file it before you've even finished your latte. Today, I'm showing you exactly how to use AI to track your business expenses, from all-in-one platforms to the custom workflows that do the work for you. Managing finances is the most stressful part of running a business, but AI is a total game changer. It isn't a financial advisor that's going to whisper stock tips in your ear, but it is the ultimate organizer. It excels at pattern recognition and data analysis. In the last year alone, the number of businesses that have never used AI shrank from 40% to just 23%. Why? Because manual data entry is error-prone. One typo or one lost receipt can mean leaving thousands of dollars on the table when tax season hits. AI changes the approach from a stressful year-end scramble to a continuous, real-time flow. Let's break down the 3 main ways you can implement this right now. Method 1. The all-in-one powerhouses. If you want a set-it-and-forget-it system, you look at platforms like QuickBooks or Xero. QuickBooks now uses specific AI agents. Their accounting agent automatically categorizes transactions and flags anomalies, while their finance agent creates cash flow forecasts by analyzing your historical data. You simply link your bank accounts, and the AI handles the heavy lifting of reconciliation. Ramp is another heavy hitter, especially if you have a team. It uses AI to automatically check every expense against your company policy. If someone spends more than they should, the AI flags it instantly. Plus, their basic plan is free. Gusto is your go-to if you're managing a team. It automates payroll, files your taxes, and even identifies tax credits you might be eligible for. Method 2. Mobile AI receipt managers. What about the physical receipts piling up in your car or wallet? Tools like Spark Receipt or Expensia turn your phone into a financial translator. You snap a photo. The AI uses OCR, optical character recognition, to extract the merchant, date, total, and even the VAT or sales tax. It even supports over 150 currencies with real-time conversion. These apps don't just store an image. They understand it and match it to your credit card statement automatically. Method 3. Custom DIY automations. If you want a system that fits your specific workflow without the high monthly fees, you can build your own using tools like Zapier and ChatGPT Vision. The trigger: create a dedicated channel in Slack called Expenses. The action: use Zapier to watch that channel. Every time you upload a photo, it sends it to ChatGPT Vision. The extraction: you give ChatGPT a simple prompt: extract the vendor, date, total amount, and tax from this receipt. The output: Zapier then takes that structured data and creates a new row in a Google Sheet. You can build this in 5 minutes without writing a single line of code. For the true pro users, you can use Claude Code inside an IDE like VS Code. You can literally ask Claude to automate the bookkeeping for my one-person business, and it will write Python scripts to connect to the Google Sheets API, categorize expenses intelligently, and even generate monthly tax summary reports. The real secret isn't just tracking, it's intelligence. AI tools are now matching spending patterns against massive tax deduction databases. For example, most people know to deduct office rent, but they miss the small stuff. AI identifies mixed-use expenses. It can track your 2026 mileage, which is now 72.5 cents per mile, using GPS, and prompt you to categorize the trip as business or personal with one tap. It can calculate the exact 15% of your home internet and trash removal that qualifies for a home office deduction based on your square footage. It even understands Section 179. In 2026, you can deduct up to $2,560,000 in qualifying equipment and software in the year you buy it. AI tools flag these purchases so you can take the full deduction immediately, rather than depreciating it over years. Why does this actually matter for your bottom line? First, it's about fraud and error detection. AI constantly scans for duplicate invoices or unusual purchase patterns that a human would miss. Second, it's about audit readiness. If the IRS ever knocks, you don't want to be digging through a shoebox. AI creates a digital audit trail where every transaction is linked to a receipt and a business purpose. Third, and most importantly, it's about reclaiming your time. By dividing the time spent on an expense claim by 7, you can focus on strategy and growth instead of data entry. The tax deductions you're missing aren't hidden in some obscure corner of the tax code, they're hiding in plain sight in your daily transactions. AI is simply the tool that brings them to light. Don't wait until next April to get organized. Start by picking one tool today, whether it's a dedicated app like Spark Receipt or an all-in-one like QuickBooks. Link your accounts, snap your receipts, and let the machines handle the paperwork so you can go back to building your business. Stop crying over receipts and start conquering them. If this helped you, hit the subscribe button for more ways to automate your life. Thanks for watching.